Good morning, champs. Today we solve another limit using factorization, but this time it's a bit less obvious than before. We want the limit as x approaches 2 of x squared minus 5x plus 6 divided by x minus 2. As always, we start by plugging in the value. Substitute x equals 2. We get 4 minus 10 plus 6 over 2 minus 2. That gives 0 over 0. So again, we have an indeterminate form and we need to simplify. Now here is the key difference from the previous videos. Before, we had patterns like difference of squares or cubes, which are easy to recognize. But this time, we have a general quadratic expression, so we need to factor it manually. We look for two numbers that multiply to plus 6 and add up to minus 5. Those numbers are minus 2 and minus 3. So we can factor the numerator as x minus 2 times x minus 3. Now rewrite the fraction. We get x minus 2 times x minus 3 divided by x minus 2. Now we cancel the common factor x minus 2. So the expression simplifies to x minus 3. Now we substitute again. Plug in x equals 2. 2 minus 3 equals minus 1. So the limit is minus 1. Quick takeaway. If the pattern is not obvious, slow down and factor the quadratic step by step. The method still works.